Hello, so we need to be able to solve linear inequalities and including set notation to describe the solution. So firstly you need to remember this U shape means union or simply or, okay? And this N is intersection or simply and, okay? You can remember it as U has an O shape, like an U shape, and N has like an N sound, so and with an N pronunciation there. Okay, and then in terms of set notation, we use these curly brackets. All this means here is that x is greater than 6. So the values of x such that then x is greater than 6. The U shape or, and then x less than or equal to 2. Okay, so as inequalities, we can describe set notation and vice versa. Okay, so we're going to solve these inequalities. So firstly, we have 15 minus x less than 2, 11 minus x. We expand to get 22 minus 2x. Then we add 2x to both sides to get x, and then we subtract 15 to get x less than 7. Then the other one, we have 5 lots of 3x minus 1 is greater than 12x, add 19. We expand to get 15x minus 5 is greater than 12x, add 19. Then we subtract 12x to get 3x and add 5 to get 24. So x is greater than 24 over 3, which simplifies to x greater than 8. And so actually, because it's and, both inequalities must be true and satisfied. But actually, if x is less than 7, then clearly it cannot also be greater than 8 and vice versa. So that means there are no solutions here. So we do not need to use set notation here. We need to solve these inequalities. So firstly here we have 3x is going to be less than or equal to 12, so x is less than or equal to 4. And then here we have, we expand it, we get 6x minus 14 is greater than or equal to x plus 6. Then we subtract x to get 5x, add 14 to get 20, so x is greater than or equal to 4. Well, it has to be both x less than or equal to 4 and x greater than or equal to 4, so therefore x is just simply 4 if we combine it. As a set then, in set notation, curly brackets x such that, and then just x equals 4, okay? And there we are. Okay, so we need to solve these two inequalities now. So here, firstly, we have 5x is less than 6, so x is less than 6/5. And then if we expand this other one, we get 10x add 5 greater than or equal to 27. Subtract 5 to get greater than 22. So x is greater than 22 over 10. And so then it's or, so we could add either inequality. So if we combine it, that means as a set notation, x is going to be such that, well, firstly x could be less than 6 over 5, but as we've got another inequality, we can only have one inequality per bracket, so we need to say or with the U shape, the union symbol, x greater than 22 over 10, and that's my answer. Okay, so we've got these inequalities then. So firstly, if we expand the left one, we get 12x add 28 is less than or equal to 20. So 12x subtract 28, we get minus 8. So x is going to be less than or equal to minus 8 over 12, okay? And that simplifies to minus 3, and that simplifies to x less than or equal to minus 2 over 3. Then with this inequality, then we expand it to get 6x minus 10 is greater than or equal to 7 minus 6x over 2. Then we can get rid of the fraction by times and everything by 2 to get 12x minus 20 is greater than or equal to 7 minus 6x. Add the 6x to get 18x, and then add 20 to both sides to get 27. So then x is going to be greater than or equal to 27 over 18. And so then it's or, so we can have either inequality. So that means as set notation, it could be the first one, so x such that x less than or equal to minus 2/3. Then we can't have two inequalities in one bracket, so we need to split it up to create another one. So or the other inequality, then x such that, and then x greater than or equal to 27 over 18 as set notation. Lastly, I just wanted to add on this extra example here. So these two inequalities need to be satisfied because it's and, both have to be true. We can combine that as x has to be greater than or equal to 2, so 2 is less than or equal to x, but also x is less than 6. And so in set notation, we can say that x such that 2 is less than or equal to x and less than 6. As it's only a single inequality, so we only need one bracket, we only need one set, okay?